Good morning, dear children. Welcome back in today's session. We are going to discuss lesson 2 mineral resources. Before going into the today's session, a small recap of what we have learned in the last class. Minerals are very useful and found naturally on the earth. Copper. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. Copper is also used in all electrical appliances including computers, television, mobile phones and other electronic devices. Another mainly used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. The iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles and thousands of other items. Today we will see gold ore, bauxite, zinc and potash. Gold ore is also a mineral. The gold is extracted from gold ore and it is considered as one of the most precious mineral. That's why it is used in making jewels. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices including mobile phones, televisions and so on. Another very useful mineral is bauxite. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Aluminium is used in electronics, construction, vehicles and even in utensils. Let us know something new. The bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Shervarai Hills of Salem district in Tamil Nadu. Bauxite is used in aircraft making industry, electrical industry and is also used in making machines. And it is used to make paper, purify water and refine petroleum. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Children, do you know about zinc? Zinc is also an essential for our daily life because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health and our body does not store excess zinc. It must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Common food sources of zinc include red meat, white meat and seafood. Zinc oxide is used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubbers, cosmetics, medicines, inks, batteries, textiles and electrical equipments. The another most useful mineral is potash. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. Fertilizer means a chemical or natural substance added to soil. So, if the soil does not have enough potassium, potash fertilizers are used to improve the quality of soil. The remaining 5% potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as soap. Okay children, today what we learnt from this class? Yes, gold ore, bauxite, zinc and potash. Gold is considered as one of the most precious metal and gold is also very good conductor of electricity. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Aluminium is also used in electronics, construction, vehicles and even in utensils. Zinc is called the essential trace element. Potash is used for making fertilizers. Okay, children, I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you.